Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Why am I smiling? Because I have the Goosky S2 Legend in my hands. I know a lot of you who know things about helicopters know all about this, and you probably want one. They're a little bit pricey, but they are pretty amazing. Check this out, the front even opens. I've never seen that before. And that's where you put your battery, so I don't have to squish off the top, like pry it apart and squish it back on. Nope, put your battery in there, slide it in, and it's all good. And speaking of batteries, I have one down here. When you order this, you do get a battery, 3S, and it does have an XT30 connector. You can get your own batteries, or if you already own batteries, no problem. Hey, and hang on, one more thing. If you don't have a radio, it comes in a ready-to-fly kit. So I do have many radios that could connect to the receiver on here because it's the basic Futaba S-FHSS, I think it is, or DSMX or S-Bus. Too easy with all the radios I have, but they sent me a radio because they want me to show you that you do not have to own anything. You can just order this, and it comes with batteries and a box, ready to fly, already bound, all set to go out of the box. So if I hold this close up in front of my face, the camera will focus on it, and you will see that it's all super nice. Look at this, and it's built to crash. It is built to crash. It says it right in the instructions that they've made it so parts will, sort of fly away and not get all destructo, because it is CNC metal. This thing does not have a lot of plastic on it. It's carbon fiber, CNC metal, and even this is like nylon, your little landing thing here, so you can't bend that or mess that up. And of course, brushless motors, so you have super powerful brushless motor for the main rotors, and of course another brushless motor for the tail rotor. It is a really well designed craft, and it's so light. So they've made this out of materials that just make this thing probably scream. I haven't flown it yet, but I have started it up, and it scared the heck out of me because I'm such a beginner. Oh, the other thing is, look at this. I'm like Team Goosky because they sent me this really cool top. Anyways, what I'm going to do, my plan is to take it out to the field. I'll fly it. I'll let some of the other guys fly it who know how to fly helicopters better than me, and we'll see what they can do with it, and we'll check it out. So here we go. Everybody flying airplanes, but we have Steve over here. He's got the Goosky S2. He's admiring it. Yes, so Steve, one thing I didn't tell you about this is that right up here, when you take this portion of the canopy off, you can attach a module that comes with this. It's a Bluetooth. Nice. You hook it to your cell phone, and you can adjust through an app. You can adjust the settings on this right from your cell phone, right here in the field. That's pretty cool. I don't have it attached because I have the canopy on, and I would probably mess it up, but yeah, it's pretty cool.
Oh, that's good. That's a good feature.
All right, so let's fly this baby. Switches all forward, and we take off the throttle hold, and there we go. Take it up. If it comes at you, Steve, just get out of the way. All right. Oh, geez, what was that, a bug? What did we hit?
I think you hit a big bug.
Well, that's it for the bug. All right, it's not twitchy at all. It seems to be quite stable in flight. I do have it in stability mode because that's about all I could do with something this powerful, but it's really good. So the person holding the camera right now, as you can see through my GoPro hat, is Steve, and he can fly this much better than me, so I'm just gonna bring it over here and put it on down. I'm just showing everybody that a beginner can fly this nice and smooth. And let's go down to my landing pad here and hit the kill switch. There we are. All right, Steve. Steve, over here, me. You take it for a flight. Out at my field, people are flying RC planes. You can see Sergio back there, and I have Steve over here. He's going to give the Goosky a try for the very first time. He's analyzing it right now as we speak. He's seeing, ooh, look at how cool that is that the forward section opens. He's got to try to get the battery in there.
All right.
There you go. Slides it. Oh, look at that. It's like he knew what he was doing.
Yes.
Scatter spinning, rotating. Oh, the nose went down, did it? Look what you did to my landing pad.
It started twisting or something.
Look at my landing pad.
What happened to my landing pad? Yeah, see, we got to look at the instructions here.
My God.
Okay, so idle.
Yeah.
Idle should be your mode. So either normal, idle 1, idle 2.
Yeah, so
but then they confuse you with this
one. Yeah,
like
manual.
So when we started it bit your pad is probably because I took idle, but this button was probably all the way down to manual idle 2 maybe. So it's spinning super fast.
Yeah. Let me just have a few more tears looking at my landing pad here. Right? You should have that forward. Yeah. This is how things normally should work.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, so
you're in stability right now.
Okay, no, but the kill switch is reversed, and so this is Really, this one should be.
That's on. Yeah, it's reversed.
Doesn't get bitten again.
There we go. Black down. Maybe that's the problem. We had the yellow side.
Yeah, the color was wrong.
The color was wrong. Yeah, all right. So now you've got me frightened.
Myself frightened.
Look at Sergio. He's right beside us with the plane. All right. Anytime, Steve.
Stability, you said.
I would push them all away from you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is
there you go.
Yeah,
and then no, don't do that one. Do this one.
Oh, okay.
Do this one, then throttle up.
Okay.
Now throttle up, and you should be able to control it. Stand back. That's pretty powerful. You're gonna have to go way up. Oh no, he's got it. Whoa, Sergio in the plane. I think you're out of stability now because you're leaning.
Yeah.
There you go. Now you got full control. There you go, buddy.
Right, that's more my style.
There you go. Steve's got it. Now, for my viewers, Steve is a better helicopter pilot than me, but he is not a 3D acrobat pilot. He can fly these things in 3D mode, but you're not going to see him do massive flips and jumps and all these things. My GoPro is protecting me. There we go. Nice. Oh, it loops, baby. Looks nice in the sun with that color scheme. Nice.
Right on. Quite centered, but hey.
That's pretty good. And look at my landing pad. Looks brand new. Just don't flip it over.
A little bit of clear tape there, Steve. It'll be,
it'll be all brand new. That's all right.
Tape
yeah, that's it. All right, so give me your thoughts. You flew it. It's your first time flying it. Let me just get over here.
Yeah.
So we get our heads in.
Very nice, very smooth. I like the way it sounds. I like the power. The controller is a basic controller.
Yeah.
It does the job.
I don't know if there's any expo on it or.
Yeah, exactly. And it's a little soft on the feel, but otherwise it's perfectly good enough to do the job. Although eventually I might put it on the TX16 if I'd buy that.
Yeah.
And but yeah.
And then you'd have a timer.
Yes, and then I'd have a timer and know where my switches are.
But it does fly for a long time. But we saw it here.
Yeah,
There was
it'd be interesting to check the battery left on it.
We have the official Captain Drone battery tester, calibrated.
Calibrations.
All right, we're going to check for all that flying time how much power is left in the included battery.
Let's see, now I got to figure out.
Steve's got to figure out the Captain Drone. That's right.
Battery tester. Which
you can do it.
I can do it. I'm sure.
It's probably right side up. There we go. What's it say?
It says 374, 375.
Or at 21%.
Yeah, so,
so
that's, I'm guessing after 5 minutes of mixed flying, certainly not heavy 3D, but not bad, not bad.
Cool,
Yeah.
so if you had to give it a score out of 1 out of 10, out of all the best helicopters you've flown.
I give it a 9.
Don't even consider the controller, since you're the guy who destroyed my pad.
Yeah, yes. The helicopter 10, controller 8.
Okay, that's more like it. So, okay, that's fair. All right, we got planes flying behind us. It's getting pretty congested here, so we're going to have to stop. But and you've already heard Steve's opinion on this helicopter. What do you think? So the next thing I want to show you is what comes in the box. Check this out. This is the box your helicopter comes in. Inside the box, you'll find a very nice foam carry case. Inside that foam carry case, you'll find your helicopter and accessories. The helicopter does come in 3 different paint schemes. There is red yellow, green yellow, and green blue. The first thing you'll notice when holding this helicopter is how well constructed it is. The Ready to Fly kit comes with 2 LiPo batteries. The T8 8-channel remote control comes in its own box. The remote comes already bound to the helicopter. It does have metal switches and it does come with an 18650 battery. You can charge that battery in the remote itself. Other items included in the box would be spare parts for the helicopter as well as the Bluetooth module. No manual is included, but all the manuals are online on the website. All right, so we can't fly anymore because we have people all over the place. Look behind me. There's a guy walking his dog. It's getting crowded. We got people flying planes. We got 2 people over there. It's getting congested.
Yes.
So Steve, we're gonna end this video. Steve loves the helicopter.
Yes, I do. I love it.
Good. I didn't pay him to say that because now he's asking me, do you want to sell this? Can I take this home? I love this thing.
I want to take it home.
Yeah, it's one of those things. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. I got links below. If you have questions on the helicopter, just post them below. And if I don't know the answer, I'll ask Steve and he can.
And I might know.
He might know. Yeah, he might know. We'll just make up stuff. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up, Steve.
Thumbs
there we
up.
go. And we'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.